Mastering the analysis of industry trends. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into a crucial aspect of preparing for industry-specific interviews: understanding and analyzing industry trends and developments. Being aware of and analyzing industry trends can make all the difference in presenting yourself as a well-informed candidate. Industry trends refer to patterns of change over a certain period within a specific industry. They can relate to technology, consumer behavior, regulatory environment, or any number of other facets of an industry. By identifying these trends, you can make predictions about future market demands or potential challenges, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Understanding industry trends is paramount for multiple reasons. 1. Staying relevant. You demonstrate to employers that you are on top of the latest developments. 2. Future forecasting. Predicting future market movements can help in strategic planning. 3. Risk management. Being aware of potential challenges can help mitigate risks. To effectively analyze and interpret industry trends, follow these steps. 1. Data collection. Gather data from reputable sources like industry reports, academic studies, and news outlets. 2. Organize the data. Categorize your findings. Look for patterns or significant changes over time. 3. Critical analysis. Ask yourself why a particular trend is happening. What are the underlying causes? 4. Comparison. Compare data across different regions or competitors to see if the trend is widespread or specific to a certain area. 5. Projection. Use the current and past data to make educated guesses about future industry movements. When discussing industry trends in an interview, 1. Be specific. Rather than making general statements, point out specific examples of trends you've noticed and how they impact the industry. 2. Stay updated. Information changes rapidly. Regularly check industry news to stay informed. 3. Practice explanation. Being able to analyze a trend is one thing, but clearly explaining it to someone else is another. Practice discussing trends with peers to refine your explanation skills. Understanding and analyzing industry trends is a vital skill for anyone preparing for technical or industry-specific interviews. It not only showcases your depth of knowledge but also positions you as a forward-thinking candidate. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in your upcoming interviews.